Hi, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to round the quantity selector in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. The Themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open your store's appearance script. This contains all your store's styling code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, skip 2 lines. Now let's access the hostube.net website. The link is in the description. We'll go to the script we'll use and click the copy button. The script below will be copied. Back in Shopify, we'll paste our code in the blank line. After pasting, click the save button on the right. Let's click that button. After clicking, the changes are saved successfully. On our store's product page, the quantity selector is now rounded. I hope this video helped.